Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're comparing two of the most popular platforms for creative professionals, Fiverr versus 99Designs. If you're a graphic designer or someone looking to hire one, this video will help you understand which platform fits your needs best. And before we begin, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more freelancing guides and creative work tips. Let's start with Fiverr. Fiverr is an online marketplace where freelancers offer digital services called gigs. Designers on Fiverr can offer logo design, branding, social media graphics, thumbnails, banners, and so much more. Clients simply pick a gig, choose a package, and place an order instantly. Fiverr is known for its flexibility, low entry barrier, and huge global audience. Even beginners can get clients as long as their gig is optimized well with good visuals, descriptions, and pricing options. Now, let's talk about 99Designs. Unlike Fiverr, 99Designs focuses specifically on design work and uses a contest-style approach. Clients create a design contest, multiple designers submit their work, and the client chooses a winner. This makes the platform highly competitive, but it also creates opportunities for designers to showcase creativity and win high-paying projects. 99Designs attracts clients who want professional quality design, brand identity packages, or custom graphics made by experienced artists. Here's where they differ. Fiverr is ideal if you want fast orders, direct clients, and the ability to set your own packages and workflow. You don't compete for every project. You simply deliver what you offer. On 99Designs, however, you often compete with many designers for a single project, especially in contest mode. This can take time and effort, but the clients there usually have bigger budgets and look for more polished high-end designs. Another big difference is how you earn. Fiverr lets you build long-term client relationships through repeat buyers, messages, and custom offers. The more you complete, the better your ranking becomes. In 99Designs, winning contests can build your reputation, but you only get paid if the client selects your design. They also offer one-on-one projects, which are more stable but usually reserved for designers with proven experience on the platform. So, which one should you choose? If you're a beginner, want instant orders, or prefer to work on multiple smaller projects, Fiverr is the easier and more flexible option. But if you're an experienced designer, confident in your skills, and want access to clients with bigger budgets and more premium branding needs, 99Designs might be the better fit. Many designers even use both. Fiverr for consistent income and 99Designs to build a portfolio of high-quality, contest-winning work. If this comparison helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more freelancing tips, platform comparisons, and creative work guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.